In this video, we will discuss the real-world asset projects presented by Binance in their latest report, focusing on the various sectors within the RWA space. We'll explore projects that are bringing real-world financial assets onto blockchain networks, allowing for new opportunities and greater accessibility. Real-world assets are reshaping how traditional assets interact with the blockchain. By tokenizing assets such as treasuries, real estate, fixed income, commodities, and more, the crypto ecosystem is bridging the gap between traditional finance and decentralized finance. Let's take a look at some of the leading subcategories of RWA projects, each with unique characteristics and significant contributions to the financial landscape. To bring real-world assets onto blockchain networks, a robust infrastructure is required, often referred to as RWA rails. This infrastructure includes blockchains, securitization platforms, and regulatory services that help integrate these traditional assets seamlessly into the crypto ecosystem. Projects like Mantra, Plume, Polymesh, and Realio Network provide the blockchain backbone, ensuring scalability, compliance, and security, making it possible for traditional assets to be effectively tokenized. Securitization platforms such as Bitbond, Chintai, and Polymath play a key role in converting real-world assets into legally compliant digital securities, facilitating easier issuance, management, and trading, while ensuring regulatory compliance throughout their lifecycle. Additionally, projects like Quadrata and Tokeny offer compliance services such as KYC and AML verification, bridging the gap between TradFi and DeFi by building trust and reliability into blockchain-based financial instruments. The RWA sector of Treasuries aims to offer tokenized versions of traditional fixed income products and yield-bearing tokens. Here are some notable projects. BlackRock USD Institutional Digital Liquidity Fund. Managed through Securitize, this is the largest tokenized treasury fund on Ethereum, valued at over $500 million. It offers institutional investors blockchain-native access to liquid treasury assets. Ondo U.S. Dollar Yield, a decentralized lending protocol providing non-US investors with stablecoin-like accessibility while delivering high-quality US dollar-denominated yield. Operates on the Arbitrum network, benefiting from Ethereum's security while achieving higher transaction speeds and lower costs. Recently surpassed Franklin Templeton's FOBXX to become the second largest tokenized US Treasury asset by total value locked, now exceeding $439 million. Franklin OnChain U.S. Government Money Fund. Backed by Franklin Templeton, this project offers blockchain-native access to government-backed securities, combining transparency, security, and a market cap exceeding $430 million. These projects offer easy access to traditional liquidity instruments, highlighting the growing confidence of financial giants in blockchain. The competition between these products, such as Ondo's recent success in surpassing FOBXX, indicates the dynamic and rapidly evolving nature of the RWA space. In the credit sector, several projects are transforming how investors can access private credit deals, making these opportunities more accessible and efficient. Centrifuge provides the infrastructure necessary for tokenized RWA investments and on-chain credit, ensuring that both investors and borrowers can interact seamlessly. Clearpool offers a decentralized marketplace focused on institutional liquidity, connecting lenders and borrowers in a transparent manner. Goldfinch, on the other hand, is a decentralized protocol that allows investors to lend directly to real-world borrowers globally, bridging the gap between traditional credit markets and blockchain technology. These platforms connect on-chain investors with real-world private credit, creating a new level of access for crypto-native users to participate in traditional lending activities. In the real estate sector, several projects are opening up new opportunities by fractionalizing and tokenizing properties, making investments more accessible. BlockSquare offers the necessary infrastructure for managing and trading tokenized properties, while CetaDAO provides a global marketplace for real estate, utilizing the Ethereum ecosystem to reach a wide range of investors. Propi, on the other hand, focuses on automating real estate transactions using smart contracts and NFTs, delivering a seamless blockchain-native experience for both buyers and sellers. By making real estate investments more accessible and tradable on-chain, these projects help democratize ownership and simplify the complexities of real estate transactions. In the commodities sector, several projects are paving the way for blockchain-based access to real-world assets like gold and agricultural yields. Oris offers a trading platform that facilitates the tokenization of precious metals, such as gold and silver, making these assets easily tradable on blockchain. LandX focuses on tokenizing agricultural yields, providing essential support for farmers while bridging the gap between traditional agriculture and blockchain. Meanwhile, Ostium offers a decentralized perpetual exchange, giving investors exposure to a range of real-world assets, including commodities and indices, all in a secure and transparent digital format. These projects allow investors to access the commodities market in a digital, blockchain-secured format, simplifying the investment process and improving transparency. In the marketplaces sector, several platforms are transforming how unique assets are traded and tokenized, making traditionally illiquid assets more accessible. Archify focuses on fractionalizing and trading art, cars, and collectibles, providing a new way for investors to gain exposure to high-value items. Galileo serves as a luxury marketplace, offering tokenized fractional assets such as watches and wine, appealing to collectors and investors alike. Meanwhile, Watches.io provides an on-chain marketplace specifically for luxury watch trading, utilizing NFTs to ensure authenticity and traceability. These projects make traditionally illiquid assets more accessible to a broader audience by leveraging blockchain to enable easier investment and trading. In the public equities and fixed income sector, several projects are bringing traditional securities like bonds and equities onto the blockchain, creating a more efficient and accessible investment landscape. Backed finance issues tokenized structured products that track the value of publicly traded securities, providing investors with a reliable on-chain representation of these assets. Benji Investments by Franklin Templeton offers a mobile app that allows users to browse and invest in tokenized securities, including mutual funds and money market products. Meanwhile, BondBlocks provides a fractionalized bond exchange, giving investors access to a variety of corporate bonds, making bond investments more accessible and manageable in a digital format. By bringing publicly traded assets onto the blockchain, these projects aim to create a more efficient and accessible investment landscape for both institutional and retail investors. In the climate sector, several projects are focusing on tokenizing climate assets and financing ecological activities, allowing individuals and institutions to take direct action against climate change. Regan Marketplace provides a digital platform for buying, trading, and retiring ecological credits, facilitating the creation of a transparent carbon market. ClimateDAO utilizes DeFi to accelerate climate financing by tokenizing environmental commodities, ensuring efficient funding for sustainability projects. Meanwhile, Toucan Protocol brings environmental credits on-chain, making them more accessible for participants in the carbon market, and enhancing transparency and trust in climate-related investments. Climate-focused RWAs are attracting attention as they allow individuals and institutions to actively participate in financing initiatives that directly impact climate change, leveraging blockchain's transparency. Real-world assets are transforming how traditional assets are managed, traded, and accessed through blockchain technology. As adoption grows, expect more traditional assets to find their way onto decentralized platforms, reshaping the future of finance. Don't forget to check out our video on the top 7 RWA crypto projects for 2025, where we highlight leading players in the industry, including BlackRock's innovative steps. This video will provide you with deeper insights into the ongoing transformation of finance. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel, and I really appreciate it. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only, and should not be considered financial or investment advice. Always conduct your own research and consult with a professional before making any financial decisions.